you for tuning into my channel today. This is an amazing Sunday, and I hope you guys are having such an amazing Sunday. You guys, I did this job because this job was just too good to wait until tomorrow. So let's get right into this job. This job is from Coopersurgical. This job pays $50 per hour, you guys. It is remote. It has full benefits such as parental leave, paid time off for vacation. This is a wonderful job. You guys, apply tonight. Do not wait until Monday to apply. Apply tonight. Apply using my resume kits because all of my resume kits are customized for these type of jobs, which is customer service, office, clerical, data analytics. Literally, I sat there and created this kit specifically for the jobs that I am telling you guys about. Also, I want to give 3 shout outs because these clients have purchased the resume kits and they have just gotten new positions. So I want to give them a shout out. Congratulations, you guys. Julia C, Shanae M, and Tisha H. I got your text messages in response. I am so proud of you guys. Congratulations. And for you guys who have not purchased a resume kit, get the resume kit so you can land these 6-figure jobs that I am posting. And once again, ladies, I am so happy for you guys. Congratulations. But still keep the resumes. So just in case you need to apply and Upwork, do it, okay? Apply to every 6-figure job. Literally scale yourself up using the resumes. All right, so we're going to get into this customer success manager. But before we do have another job opportunity that I could not let go. This is from Cardinal Health. So let's jump right into this opportunity right now, you guys. Cardinal Health is hiring for a customer care specialist. This job is fully remote, 100% remote, you guys, and it is offering full benefits. You do not need a degree for this job. This is definitely a customer service job. And like I said before, my resume kits, literally all you have to do is put your name on them, plug and apply, especially for a job like this. This is a customer care job. I do have this listed, the skills listed in my resume kit, but let's get right into the job. Okay, so this job requires a high school diploma, GED, or equivalent, 2 to 4 years experience, prior computer experience using Microsoft Office systems, customer service experience, familiarity with call center phone systems, communication and active listening skills, and excellent phone skills. And like I said before, you guys, this is a skills job. You do not need a degree for this job. This job is literally almost 100% based upon your skill. And that's why I say get the resume kit because these skills are included within the resume kit. Get the kit because I have all of the skills that you need to bring out in your resume so that you can get called for this. But this is a no degree job. It says you need to be quality focused, have a keen attention to detail, especially documenting for proper information, capacity to navigate stressful situations with ease, ability to achieve daily call center metrics, maintaining a positive and empathetic and professional attitude toward customers and coworkers at all times. Now let's look at responsibilities for this. So the customer care specialist is responsible for providing customer service assistance, including but not limited to order placement, product information, order status, order discrepancies, and customer complaints for approximately 60 to 80 incoming calls per day. So you're going to be taking a lot of calls. Okay, so what are you doing? So you're going to be answering incoming phone calls from customers, caregivers, and applicable referral sources regarding various medical supplies, ability to handle high call volumes day to day, navigate multiple computer programs throughout the workday, process orders for new and existing customers, collecting necessary information for insurance billing, collecting payment as needed, uses provided resources, company websites to navigate customers' concerns, and consults with supervisor or team lead on complex and unusual problems. So you're going to go to the supervisor if you basically have a problem. And it says ensure customer satisfaction and provide professional customer service support. Let's go down to your shift. It says the new hire training will take place Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. through 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Mandatory attendance is required. Once you have completed new hire training, you will take part in a shift bid to determine your schedule. So that is not a set schedule. You are going to take time to determine your schedule. Now let's go into the position. This position is 40 hours a week. Employees are required to have flexibility to work any of our shift schedules during our normal business hours of 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Saturdays. Agents assigned a shift with a Saturday workday will receive a shift differential of $1 per hour. Agents assigned a shift that ends at or after 8 p.m. will receive a shift differential of $2 per hour. In addition, based on seasonal fluctuations and volumes, there are times throughout the year when overtime is mandated. Remote details. You will work from home full time. Full time, you are going to work from home. It says, as a work from home employee, the expectation is that you have your camera on when participating in onboarding training activities. Please note that work from home is not a substitute for child care or elder care. Arrangement must be made ahead of your start date. You are required to have a dedicated, quiet, private, distraction free environment with access to high internet. So, this is not one of those jobs that you can basically take care of your this is not one of those jobs where you can basically take care of your children while you work. You literally have to be there, you guys. So you have to be present at this job. They require you to put your camera on. They require you to be in a quiet place with you guys, with your internet and everything working. But let's get into the internet requirements because there are some internet requirements. It says must maintain a secure high-speed broadband connection, and these are the download speeds. You guys can go through them, but let's get down to your benefits. So the benefits of this job is your medical, dental, and vision coverage starts at day one. You have a 401k program match starting at day one. 23 days of paid time off after a 90-day probation period, and you also have health savings account, work life resources, paid parental leave, healthy lifestyle programs. Anticipated salary ranges. Your salary can range from $16.75 to $21.84. So you are not eligible for a bonus with this job, but you do have the shift differentials of $1 and $2 depending on what shift you are in, what shift you get picked in. Benefits, health benefits, 401k contributions, paid time off, vacation. And it says, I like this part. I really like this part, and I want you guys to listen to this. It says candidates who are back to work. So if you are retired, you are a single mom, and you have job gaps, Apply for this job. Apply for this job. It says people with disabilities without a college degree and veterans are encouraged to apply. So many times we do not give ourselves the chance, or we don't think that we can apply. Apply to this job. This job is begging you guys to apply. And like I said before, this is a skills job. Use the skills in the resume kit, or if you guys need to book a call to go over your resume so that you can apply, the link is in my description box. Click the link. You can book a consultation, or you can get the resume kit. But let's move on to the next job because this job pays $50 per hour, guys. Let's get into this other job opportunity. And I do not post the direct links to these jobs because if too many people go on the site, they are going to crash the website. I want you guys all to have the opportunity to apply for these jobs. So just Google it. Literally just go to Google, Google the position, and you're ready to go. All right, so let's jump into the next job. All right, guys, now let's jump into this next job. This is the customer success manager. This job is completely remote, you guys. And like I said before, this job pays $50 per hour. Jump on this today. Today, you need to apply. Okay, so let's get right into it. Let's go to the title. The title is going to be a customer service manager, or customer success manager, I'm sorry. And it says it reports to the global genomic customer success director. Okay, let's go to the summary. This is a field based, customer focused role to support the successful development of our genomics digitalization portal, ensuring we are managing and meeting customer expectations and continually gaining key stakeholder input into customer needs to inform our evolving genomics digitalization USP. A key part of this role will be gaining an understanding of the evolution of our genomics capabilities and offering and ensuring we integrate future needs into our digitalization services. This role will work cross functionally internally with all TAMs, ITs, and others to ensure effective communication and coordination. The role will be measured against revenue uptake and account retention. Now let's move into the description of tasks. It says this is a varied and dynamic role working with both internal and external stakeholders as well as interaction with our customer base, ensuring their needs are met and they are apt to in operating our digital platforms. Working closely with our portal rollout team to develop solutions and help to drive our digitalization project. You will be a part of a team focused on driving growth within the genomic testing area of Coopersurgical. So this is a science company. Basically, they have genomics is a branch of molecular biology. And they basically you're going to help their digital team. Okay, it says you will work with IT, R&D, and commercial teams to develop a roadmap for projects, provide education and training to customers. Candidate will have experience in developing portals, EMR apps, and understanding of the basics of genomics and life science industry. Be customer focused. So once again, this is basically a customer service job for a science company. That's what I get from it. But when you go apply, ask them directly. Okay, so let's get down to it says gain an good understanding of customer needs and continue to gain customer feedback to improve digital application. Provide training to external and internal stakeholders on new digitalization technologies. Coordinate with IT and other internal departments, and then cooperate with the senior leadership team and product managers to develop a genomic digitalization roadmap, coordinating with customers and vendors to ensure that data and integration is correct. Managing the overall process from beginning to end. Let's get into the qualifications. Okay, so you see that this has no degree on there, guys. No degree. It says 5 years of experience in digitalization and life sciences or healthcare field. Computer science preferred. EMR integration management, portal launch management, proficient product project manager, and efficient in IT systems. There is no degree involved within this, guys. Get on this today. So if you have a hospital or any healthcare experience, this might be the job for you. So let's move down into the benefits really quickly. It says, as an employee of Coopersurgical, you will receive an outstanding compensation package. As we believe your compensation goes beyond your paycheck, you get a 401k, fraternity benefits, paid time off for vacation, personal sick holidays, you guys, and the pay. I'm sorry, we skipped over the pay, but let's get into the pay. It says the starting base pay for this role is between $42 and $50 an hour for this contract to hire opportunity. So this is a contract to hire. So basically, they're going to hire you on a contractual basis before they hire you fully. So this is a contract to hire, just like it says. It says the actual base pay may include many factors. It says this position may be eligible for other types of compensation and benefits. You guys, apply today. Apply for this today. If you this has no degree, it starts off at 42 and it goes up to $50 based upon your experience. Apply today. Get the resume kit because you can apply today. Your resume kit literally takes 10 minutes to fill out and it has the skills that this job needs. Like and follow, subscribe, you guys, and I will see you tomorrow on another one. But I want you to apply for this today. All right. Enjoy your Sunday. Bye.